So today we'll be navigating the Linux file system, and to do this you will require a command called change directory, or the cd command, that will enable us to move from one directory to another. So you know Linux is a command line interface OS, and will not be using the GUI based system but the command. So we'll be using the cd command to change directory. So let's begin. So first of all, open the terminal and type in cd/etc or etc, and that will take us to the etc directory. To prove that, you can type the pwd, and that's it, displaying the etc directory. Then to go back, you just type cd and double dots, and that takes us back to the root pwd, and that's where you are. The slash indicates that you're at the top of the file structure. So let's list ls to list the available files. Let's navigate to the root, cd root, and that's it. You are in the root directory. That's how you navigate from one directory to another. To go back, you just type cd and double dots. This will take us back to the top of the directory chain. Cd root takes us back into the root. Pwd to confirm that, and you're in the root. Let's clear the screen. And that's how you navigate in Linux system. That's how you navigate. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.